Namaskar to all of you. So this is a batch notification for a very special batch. Before the corona pandemic, this batch was going on, and we are adding a optional batch to it now. Okay, so this is the UPSC answer writing batch for general studies and sociology. Okay, optional will be sociology. So you can go through this PDF in the description section of this video. You can download and go through it in details. I am going directly to the class details. So why you should join this course? So this course is basically for those who are preparing for UPSC. Okay, this is a UPSC specific batch. In this batch, there is no teaching basically which is done. Padha hui nahi hai batch re. This is basically for writing practice. Okay, as the name suggests, it is the UPSC writing practice batch. Advantage is you get personal guidance from a very special faculty. Why the faculty is very special? Because faculty has qualified UPSC civil service exams 3 times. Okay, so his name has appeared in the rank list 3 times, and in all the 3 attempts, all the 3 times when he qualified, his optionals were sociology. Okay, so that is the reason both general studies and sociology, both these papers, we are starting the writing practice batch. So here generally what will happen is those students who are preparing by themselves or those who have completed their preparation but would like to have writing practice as per UPSC pattern, okay, for this batch is basically for them. So I'll repeat that, if you are a fresher or something, in that case you have to study it by yourself. Okay, or once you are clear with the concepts, then you can join this batch, because here there will be, sir will be giving you some portion and then you will be having the writing practice. So every Wednesday you have sociology from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. On Saturdays and Sundays you will have general studies 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, and it is available only in classroom mode. Okay, that means online mode is not available for this particular batch. Okay, so let us come to the duration and other. Duration is 1 year. In 1 year, you will be ready to write the exam. Okay, but the validity of the course is till your success. So repeaters batch will be free of charges till success after 1 year. So it's not that everyone will crack UPSC CSE in 1 attempt or something. Till you crack the exam, you can continue in the writing practice batch. Okay, next, it is included in civil service integrated batch. So those students who have joined the civil service integrated batch, you need not pay for this separately. It is included in your integrated batch. Okay, next, the course fee, those who want to join only this batch. Okay, so the course fee for only GS is 15,000. This will cover the all 4 papers of general studies, and sir also takes sometimes the essay paper. Okay, but generally it will cover the 4 GS papers which are there in the UPSC. Okay, and if you are interested only for sociology optional, then it is 10,000 rupees. If you are interested for both, that is GS and sociology, it will be 20,000 rupees. Okay, so this is still success. The course fee is still success. It is not an annual course fee so that every year you have to pay it. Okay, this is still success, right? Any doubts you have regarding this, you can WhatsApp me at 9437002210, or you can call Bhubaneswar Center at 96840-54656. The venue of this batch is Acharya Vihar, Bhubaneswar. Okay, only this center there will be the batch, and you can also call Cuttack Center 732-590-4599. Okay, so best wishes for your preparation. Thank you.